How to submit a food order via website. This process will only work if your coach knows you are using our Awaken 180 at home service. Your coach will need to begin the ordering process for you. How to access your order via email. You receive an email from Awaken 180 notifying you that it's time to order more food. As stated in the prerequisite, this email will get generated by your coach. Click the Let's Place My Order button. If you are already signed into the website, you will get redirected to the order form where you can choose the products you'd like. If you are not signed in, you will get redirected to the sign-in page where you can sign in with your email and password. After signing in, you should get redirected to the order form where you can choose your food. If you are not redirected there, please go back to your email and click the Let's Place My Food Order button one more time. Now, you should see the order form. How to access your order from the client portal. Please sign into the client portal. Sign in using your credentials for the Awaken 180 client portal. After successfully signing in, please move your cursor to the left pane and click on Food Orders. Following that action, you will be redirected to a page displaying the list of your food orders. Simply click on the description and proceed to follow the instructions from Step 4 on how to fill out your food order. How to fill out your food order. Note: before filling out the food order, please know that our products are convenient, flexible, and easy to use. All of our products are interchangeable throughout the day, meaning any product qualifies for a breakfast, lunch, or snack. Be sure to review your meal plan so you know when Awaken 180 products will be called for. Throughout the day, the order form contains the following information. This is your product counter. Your coach selected how many general products and how many limited products are allowed in your order. This is the header for the general products. As you scroll down through the order form, you will see the section with the header Limited Products. This is the name of the product. This is the product description. Click the info circle next to the product name to view a helpful description of each item. This is where you enter how many you'd like of that product. Note: a few things to note about filling out your order form. The counter labeled number 1 in the previous example will automatically decrease as you select the items you want. You will be enabled to select more items than your coach shows. If you go over the limit, you will see a pop-up that tells you what went wrong. Simply adjust your order until you are within your order's limits. Continue to select the products you like until both the limited products and general products remaining read 0. Scroll to the bottom of the order form and click Continue. You will get redirected to an order confirmation page where you can verify you selected the correct items. Below this order summary, you must enter your shipping address. This may already be done if we have your address on file. Please verify the address either way. If you have no address or wish to deliver your product to a different location, please click Edit Address and provide the address where your product will be delivered. Once your shipping address is entered, scroll to the bottom of the page where you will find the final confirmation. If the address and number of items look correct, click the Finalize Order button. You will be redirected to the food order page where you will see a green check mark under Submitted. You will also receive an email confirmation stating your food order has been submitted. If you have questions and inquiry about this topic, contact us at 413-307-3758 or email us at support@awaken180weightloss.com. Thank you.